The one rule for finding your life's purpose. Everyone feels flat and unmotivated sometimes. No matter how energetic and focused you are, there'll be some days when you're just not feeling the vibe. You can give your motivation a kickstart by reinvigorating your life's purpose. And this need not mean that you need to do a course or online quiz or take yourself off to motivation boot camp. In fact, you don't even need to do a bunch of things to get back on track. You just need to do one simple thing. If you're really in the doldrums, you need to pick yourself up and take a big step out of your comfort zone. The ins and outs of your comfort zone. Most people stay in their comfort zone for a perfectly good reason. It's comfortable. It feels good to be surrounded by like-minded people who don't challenge your view of the world. Your comfort zone is a cozy place. Online or in the real world, your comfort zone is full of messages that reinforce the status quo. It's okay to miss your gym session or be a couch potato. Everyone's sitting at home eating tacos or popcorn. Staying in your comfort zone is a one-way street to not taking on any challenges, not growing, not developing, or achieving. Comfort zone living encourages procrastination. It makes you defensive and frustrated when your instant gratification needs are not met, or when someone disagrees with you. The benefits of stepping outside your comfort zone. When you decide to step outside your comfort zone, sure, it might feel a little scary, but the benefits soon outweigh the fears. You can start to see that trying different things will stretch you and help you become a better person. Challenges can lead to success, which can lead to you achieving things you never would have dreamed of. And you can start to dream bigger and better dreams. Your attitude toward success changes. Suddenly you know you can do it. You can see your deep desires begin to become a reality. Your life's purpose lies outside your comfort zone. Having more confidence in your capabilities means you can look around and see what your life's purpose is. And it's guaranteed it's not likely to be a marathon Netflix session. With one simple decision, you leave your own personal safety bubble and see the world from a different perspective. You can see how what you do in your life can help make the world a better place, that whatever you do has an impact on other people. You can make a difference once you step out of your comfort zone and start living with meaning.